The seal is not normally reused because wear patterns on the finished faces cannot be realigned during reassembly. This could result in premature failure. If it is necessary to reuse an old seal in an emergency, consult your O&M manual. If the seal plate was removed during disassembly, install the seal plate gasket. Position the seal plate over the shaft and secure it to the bearing housing. When installing a new cartridge seal assembly, remove the seal from the container and remove the Mylar storage tabs, if so equipped, from between the seal faces. To prevent damaging the shaft sleeve O-ring on the shaft threads, stretch the O-ring over a piece of tubing slightly larger than the outside diameter of the shaft. Slide the tube over the shaft threads and then slide the O-ring off the tube and onto the shaft. Remove the tube and continue to slide the O-ring down the shaft until it seats against the shaft shoulder. Lubricate the external stationary seat O-ring. Then slide the seal assembly onto the shaft until the external stationary seat O-ring engages the bore in the seal plate.
For more information on pump hydraulics, equipment, or application engineering, watch Gorman Rupp's YouTube channel and visit us at grpumps.com.